everybody. I'm D++. This is Super Mario Sats. I'm a team of one, but I do have a co-pilot, and that's ChatGPT-4. I'd also like to thank Portland Hoddle for helping me, as well as Super Testnet and Santos of Zebedee. So let's get started. I decided for my project that I was going to hack an NES ROM. And so I was able to access the memory locations and, given the contents of those locations, do some cool stuff programmatically. And so what would the obvious thing that you would do with that data? What would the obvious thing be?
Replace coins with sats.
Give yourself sats. Thank you. Okay, so I like where you're going with this. So I'm going to do just kind of a quick demo of how this works, and then I'm going to invite one of you to come play. Who's good at Mario from NES? Awesome. Okay, well, let me give you kind of a demo of how it works first, and then I'm going to give you guys a demo, and then we're going to get some volunteers from the audience. Okay. So let's see how my my skills are here. Ooh. Can we turn it down? Someone turn it down, or I guess I can turn it down over here. Okay, that's better. That's better. All right. So let's see what happens when we get a coin. It's going to be a mushroom. And that's a coin. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can see, but let's get someone to verify.
It's really there.
It's really there.
It's really there.
So if you so if you pull up the transaction, you can see it shows you how many sats you got, and it also shows you what world you were in.
It shows you the world. It's Mario World 1 of 1.
1 of 1. And so right now the multiplier is that we're getting 10 sats per coin. So I got 10 sats my game from my node, paid my lightning address 10 sats.
That's so cool.
I'll have you verify that it is in fact working. So let's just go ahead and lock the screen.
Yeah.
And then you watch the screen, and let's see what happens when I get more sats.
Oh, it's really there.
Are they coming in?
You can see them keep stacking up on top of each other.
How many sats per coin?
10.
10. Do you get anything for the mushroom?
The mushroom does not pay you sats. Okay, so here come the sats.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so stinking cool. Do you guys see this? It really is happening.
All right, so let's get at least one sat in the next world, because I do like that my game will tell you in which world you received sats, and we're now in world 1-2.
I want to see
How good what?
Might not make it.
So we get some coins.
What if you die? Do you lose sats?
I would need your invoice macaroon to take sats from you, and your admin macaroon. So if you want to input your admin macaroon to play this game, a little dangerous, you could give me an LN URL withdraw. So as you can see, we got sats from this world. Okay, so that said, I want 2 people to volunteer. I want one person to volunteer to get paid, so that they're going to be the person looking on their phone, and then I want another person to volunteer to actually play the game, someone who's really good at playing the game. So who's really good at playing the game?
Come on up, come on up.
Okay, so Santos, we're going to have you come up and be the receiver of the sats, but someone here has to be good at this game.
Come on in.
Who?
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, so I'm also going to change the multiplier. So instead of paying 10 sats, what do you guys think?
1,000.
Okay, so we'll do 1,000 sats per coin. And then, okay, so I'm gonna change the recipient to, so I'm gonna change the recipient to be Santos's lightning, or excuse me, Zebedee lightning address. And then you're gonna kill the game, right? Do you know all the warp zones?
Nope.
You don't know? Okay. So
Where's this man too?
you're gonna play, and then Santos is gonna get sats for each coin.
I got 1,000 sats. Got another 1,000 sats.
Wow, it really is there.
So there's a lot of sats done in that. Oh,
You're making me rich. Thank you.
there's a lot of
Got
sats in the tube. So
Now go back to the tube.
you can't go back. There's no back. This game is hard.
It is strangely hard.
It's really hard.
Oh, nice.
It's so cool they stack up on the screen.
I don't know if Zebedee would support it, but one way to do the taking stats back is if you escrow the funds
Yeah.
in like a hodl invoice, and then you basically only get it if you finish.
Oh.
Who's next? Who's good at this game? Who knows what works?
All right.
No. No, that's not what I meant. What I meant was like who knows like all the warp zones and like all of like the. Okay, but I need someone to volunteer to get paid.
Yeah, I just got like.
Do car, yeah, do car.
There you
You got
go.
the Zebedee.
So you don't need a Zebedee. So you don't need a Zebedee wallet. You just need a lightning address.
Yeah, I'll use the Pleb Lab Zebedee wallet.
Okay. So what is your lightning address?
So that one's it right there.
What is the so zbd.gg
It's Pleb Lab.
just PlebLab? So I haven't I started working on this last night kind of late, so I haven't built out some of the front end stuff that like does this kind of thing for me yet. So I just gotta manually put the callback into the code. So we're just gonna say callback
Let's go.
is PlebLab.
This all goes. No, this all goes for the.
I
next
wanted to
hackathon.
do
Yeah,
this
so,
for
yeah,
today,
the next
but a
hackathon.
lot of
This
things
is
kind of blew
fun for the
up.
next set, but-
Okay. I think that should be good. We've got the callback for PlebLab.
Yep.
Okay. So we got PlebLab is receiving sats. Car can attest to the fact that this works, hopefully. And then who's like a master of the game?
I got the keys behind
Okay.
the sticks. I got the sticks.
All right. So are you ready? Okay.
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Honestly, I gotta make sure I got the controls right. What is it?
Okay.
A, B, normal?
I think this
What's
is
super run? Because nobody's doing
I think
super run
this
yet.
is run and fireballs, and then these two are jump.
All right.
Okay. So ready?
Yep, let's do it. Okay. This is super run. Yes, got it. Okay.
Okay. So we've got 2, 1.
There you go.
You just gotta turn on notifications.
It'd be nice if you did like a block too. Which one is it? The third one? I can't remember.
To run.
No. The tube.
Yeah, that's the sat tube.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I had a lot of time after school playing this. I played this a lot after school, by the way. So, how much we got?
You got 22.
Beat the game. Beat the game.
And then you can refresh it if you need to.
Here, let me reopen it.
Now this is a trick, everybody. If you want to get to the top of the pole, you have to go a little bit farther over. A little bit farther over. Oh!
Oh, I have do not disturb on.
So that was 23,000 sats. That is really cool.
And we
That's,
got it.
yeah. And you can verify. You can verify that you got the sats. Yeah. Honestly, can I keep playing?
Yeah, keep going.
Can I keep playing? All right, let's go.
Well, Car, we're still playing. So.
Yeah. Put the camera up there. Yes. Oh, I will.
So it goes right here. Oh wow, world one.
Refresh the transactions.
I think you just keep your phone off with the chat.
Infinite money. Okay. Oh crap! I didn't want to do that.
I don't know why you're.
I think it's this way. Yeah. I know. We'll get him. Oh, I do need that. See, you get. Oh, I can't get up there.
Yeah, you can get up there.
I can't get up there.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I kind of want the sats though.
Yeah, so you go
Yeah.
there,
Okay.
You can just, like,
Yeah.
run.
I can't run backwards though. Oh no, third level. I can run. I'm not giving up sats. I'm getting future sats. You can tell I have played this game, by the way. So.
Yeah, you had 2K to begin with, so you got
Yeah.
7K.
It's coming in.
Oh! It's a signal.
Okay, does
we got two
anyone
lives.
else want to play, or is that
Come
enough?
on up. Come on up. Yeah. No.
No, that's.
Yeah. There you go, Santos. Thank you. Great.
Okay, I'm gonna put it back to Santos's wallet, so you can both play and get paid.
Might run out of stats, so I might have to top it up.
Okay, so you're gonna both receive sats and
Here
play
you
the
go.
game.
You can
So
use
I will look at your screen to make sure that the sats are coming
Alright.
in.
How do I
yeah,
start this
so
up?
Have you played this game before?
Yeah, but I haven't played with the controller. Here, okay.
Oh, okay, now it's coming in. Now it's showing up here.
Oh, it's still going to PlebLab?
Yeah.
I think I.
It's just showing up.
Whoops.
Yeah, it's still going to. That's okay though.
I forgot. I don't know. It didn't change over. PlebLab's getting the sats. Sorry.
It's probably because we need to refresh,
I
but
forgot
it's
to refresh the
it's cool.
page.
Oh no, fail.
This game is really hard and nerve-wracking.
I just want to win. I want to get to the next world before I die. Can't die twice in the same world. There we go. no. Oh no.
All right, so that's the game. We can play more. Anybody else? Thanks, guys. Yeah, if anyone wants to come play, I might have to turn the multiplier down. So if anyone wants to play for like 1 sat per coin.
We'll get Rockstar to donate to it.
Yeah, because I think you guys may have rinsed my node. So
Thanks, Steve.
yeah.
What was the hardest part about this hack for you?
So I almost rage quit trying to hack the ROM.
Yep.
A friend of mine in Portland, he's called Portland Hoddle. He was kind enough to take a call with me last night to like chill me out to do that. But once I did that, it was all kind of downhill. My voltage node blew up this morning, and so I switched it over from using my voltage node to using like a Zebedee endpoint. So that was kind of hard, and then Wallet of Satoshi blew up today also. So like a lot of things kind of blew up on me, but other than that, it was really fun.
We got another question. One more.
Yeah.
Yeah, what steps did you need to take to make this a public experience to have as like a FOSS?
Well, I don't know that there's any way of protecting people from cheating, because if they hit my endpoint with how many coins they got, how do I know they really like got that many coins? So I could rate limit it and say, well, you can only get 100 coins per reasonable amount of time. But I would need a way to authenticate the user. So I could use like an LN URL auth. I could use an OAuth. I would need some way of like creating an accounting system to also rate limit people. But they eventually could just spin up more accounts and then just kind of programmatically drain my node. So I don't know. I mean, if you have any ideas as to how to sort of rate limit, it's essentially just a SAT faucet, right?
Possible to make it uncheatable, like where you couldn't just hit an endpoint to get sats, but you connect that way more.
So you also send with LN URL withdraw, you send a K1 parameter, which I'm just using a 32 byte like hex string. And so they have to send that, and that could be anything, right? There could be any kind of authorization that you get. So maybe like the game issues it to you somehow. I don't know if anyone has any ideas. I'm
More different when you like coins arrive, basically the block, there's some kind of
But if you know where all the coins are, then you can kind of just record that information and then replay it. I think the only way to make this game really work is just to come find me and play it.
I think you'd have to host the ROM in a server and serve up the screens, and then you'd have to centralize basically the operation of the game.
Oh, I see. So you're not actually playing the game on your local host. Oh, okay. Yeah, we can do that. Cool.